Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I might just have done a thing again, and it's another storage box. Only this one is huge. Look at that, that's the bottom of it. It's got 4 little feet, look. And that's the top with the big handle. It's more like a suitcase. Alright, you could take this as hand luggage on an aeroplane. Okay, so let's get this horrible plastic off and let's get into it and have a look. Again, it's from Amazon and it is another MACTING store one. It seems to do an awful lot of storage and I seem to buy an awful lot of it. Again, I had a coupon and let's get this off first. So right, that's the plastic off. So let's just get that little bit off there as well. But yeah, again, I had a coupon. So it's normally £25.99, which for one this size I think is brilliant. I have got one that's purple that's very similar, and then I got a coupon and I got it for £10.40. Wow, can't go wrong. I mean, it'd be rude not to. One of my favourite sayings at the moment. It's not wearing very well though. So we've got good studded corners here, good strong case. Okay, and yeah, studs on this side as well, say 4 feet here. And we've got 2 zips, so it will open both ways. So let's get these both round to the front and have a look what's inside. Let's hope it all doesn't fall out. So we've got the zips right round to the back there. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, let's open it this way then, because it looks like it's this way. Okay, oh, we've all collapsed. Right. So we've got 2 of our standard stickers, 100 and something, 140 did we say was on that? Looks like we've got some little pots, so they're the ones that go in the lid. So this is supposed to be 132 slots. So it looks like we might have some that are larger and some that are smaller. Sadly, this one has got, well, on the smaller ones, we'll have a look at the others, the really rigid plastic lids. I prefer the ones that have got the softer plastic lids, because A, they don't squeak, and B, they tend to last longer, because these can crack if you over tighten them, or if you drop them, or if you stand on them. I've stood on them from time to time. So we've got a storage compartment here. Will that go in there? Oh yeah, that will go there, look. So you could put some extras there, and that zips up, but really it's for storage for your diamond painting things, I believe. So, although they wouldn't have all fallen out if they'd have been in there with this. So I'm going to leave them there for now. We've got a little zip compartment here. There's no extras with this, but I mean, for the price I wouldn't expect them really. So you've got a little pouch. That's not a pouch up there, which yeah, they could have made the pouch a little bit bigger, couldn't they, by just putting it up there really. But I suppose you've got the underneath bit there as well. So how many is in there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Right, so at that side we've got 66 of the little pots. So it must be 66 of the others. So that was 66 and 66 would be 132. Yeah, 60, yeah. So let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 16. Yep, so you've got 65 of the larger size ones. Again, with the lids. Oh, every time I tighten these, I sort of squint just in case it squeals at me. And let me just check one of my other storage cases, because we know these hold about, what was it, between 14 and 1600 drills. Yeah, you see these have got the nice soft plastic lids I do prefer them. I mean, there's no difference in the way they work other than the fact that they do squeak. Yeah, they're exactly the same size, so they would fit in your other containers, your other cases. But yeah, so that's that. So you see, I'm thinking about doing bigger paintings. So I've now got 132, albeit there's only 66, we said, didn't we? 66 of that size, which again, if you've got one of the 60 cases and you just needed a couple of extra, then that's good. And then we've got 66 of the smaller ones. So what are they about? They're about half the size. Yeah. So if you can see that there. So probably if they fit about 14 to 1600, you're looking at about 7 to 800 in one of these. So possibly if you've got those horrible little packs, about between 3 and 4 packs in that one. And again, I think it was between 7 and 8 packs we put in that one. Yeah, they're about half the size. But again, you know, it's a good storage container. Or you could completely take these out and say just use it as a suitcase. Yeah, it's all fully lined, look, and you've got like your honeycomb design in the bottom. It is fabric, it's like a plasticky fabric. It crinkles a bit like paper, but it is a plasticky fabric, so it'd be easy to wipe clean if you were using it for something else. Not quite enough to stow away Millie. I'm sure she'd love to come on holiday with us. She does mainly come on holiday with us. We've not been on holiday without her yet, but we've always holidayed in the UK. But yeah, anyway, I digress, as if you'd put a dog in a suitcase to take it on holiday. Although I'm sure somebody has tried. So yeah, that could zip up there. Look, in fact, I'm going to leave that there, as I say, so that they don't all fall out again. So right, let's do some measurements then. So where's my tape measure? Ooh, let's close it up a minute. It is huge. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to store it, and it has got a very big footprint. So if you're wanting to put it on a table or a desk or something, you know, it is quite large. Is it the same size as these? Yeah, it is exactly the same. I don't know if you can quite get that. Yeah, with the same sort of dimensions across. Oh, this one's just slightly longer actually. My normal case is just slightly longer, but then this is actually, let's see if we can do this. See if we can do this. So that's, I would say that's about 3 of those. So actually, although you're paying more, you would get more. You'd get 180 if you got 3 of the 60s, and it would take up the same room. But again, this would be really good. I mean, you could take the top layer out. Just thinking out loud here, really. You could take the top layer out, and if you've got, say, specials, because I'm doing smashing the specials at the minute, you could put your diamond paintings, if you've got smaller ones, in the top to take on holiday with you. You could even get your little, if you've got a tablet, you could put that in there as well. So let's just measure this anyway. Enough rabbiting, Liz. Right, so it's 23 centimetres. Yeah, 23 centimetres, or to the feet it's 24 centimetres, which is 9 inches or 9.5 inches if you go to the feet. Let's measure from the widest. Oop! This tape measure's got a mind of its own. So it's 30 centimetres, which is 12 inches that way, but the depth of it is really, really wide. So depth wise, we're looking, what's that? So that's about 15 centimetres, which is 6 inches. And yeah, it's that all the way around, of course. So yeah, it is quite a deep one, but very handy. I'm pleased I've got it. As I say, I have ambitions to do. Oh look, I've opened it up the other way now. So after saying I'll keep those sealed in there so that I don't drop them, I've now opened it up the other way up. It ought to have a little arrow on it saying this way up. But yeah, I mean, these ones do stack on top of here, so it does all close that way as well. But I just thought that would keep them a bit tidier for me, because I do tend to open things upside down, as you've just seen. So yeah, I mean, I am pleased I've got it. Oh, let me give you the, I mean, it will just be double what we've had. But yeah, so if you're wanting to open it up on a desk, it is 50 centimetres, which is nearly 20 inches across. So you do need a big desk to open this out. Unless you're going to stack them and work that way and take them out that way. I'm not keen that they're not completely in straight lines. I think I would probably number it from the middle ones, or maybe start here and work that way. Yeah, you would have to do it. It would confuse me if I started sort of like having odd ones at the end. Yeah, I would have to go in sort of like smaller rows this way rather than going lengthways, because I'm easily confused. So yeah, so that's just a quick video just to show you. It's got a really good zip on this. My new storage, like the little shaped little ring pulls as well. You could put one of your little diamond painting keychains on there just to make it a little bit more yours. You've got like a faux band around this side, so you could, oh right, okay. So, right, so you could put your diamond painting on there, I suppose. It's not overly strong, you won't be able to take that in an aeroplane with something stuck in it. But yeah, if you're just working, you could maybe put your pens or something there. Or, yeah, you could maybe even put your, no, I wouldn't put your tablet there. But yeah, so, very nice. Okay, it's very smart looking, I have to say. I do quite like something that's a bit smart. So, yeah, that's your little case there with your little handle and everything. Okay, right, well, if you want any more details about this, I'll put them in the description down below of to where I got it from. Just a bit of spider, just like glue there. Probably come from the packaging. Okay, well, that's me done. So thanks for stopping by. If you've enjoyed it, please press the like button. Just gives me a bit of a boost. Lets me know that I'm on the right track and just sort of keeps me in YouTube sights, as it were. And if you want to subscribe, press that little bell down there and you'll be notified when my next videos come out. And who knows, I might be kitting something up into this one. So thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.